Okay, so we are seeing now chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variable, in which we'll start first from revising that we have studied in chapter standard 8 and standard 9. So if we are going through standard 8, then we have seen in standard 8 linear equation in one variable whose standard form was ax plus b is equal to 0. मतलब जिनका standard form था ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. It is the necessary condition a is not equal to 0 for linear equation in one variable. Why? Because a is coefficient of x here. If a is equal to 0, then 0 into x is equal to 0. So there will be no variable term in the equation. It will be constant is equal to 0, which is not possible. मतलब कि यहाँ कोई x वाला टर्म नहीं बचेगा, सिर्फ constant ही 0 बचेगा, जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो यहाँ मैं ये बता सकता हूँ कि भाई ये जो है ax plus b is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0 is standard form of linear equation in one variable. उसका कोई भी एग्जांपल ले लो आप, जैसे 2x plus 3 है, या 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, और 5x minus 7 is equal to 0, और 3x minus 9 is equal to 0, whatever. Second one that we have studied in standard 9, linear equation in two variables. Linear means power of variable will be always 1. मतलब यहाँ जो भी x and y आ रहा है, या if there is a and b or m and n, then remember that power of a and b or x and y or m and n is always equal to 1. ठीक है. Okay, so here power of 2 power of x is equal to 1, power of y is equal to 1. It can be written like that. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. I can write plus 5, इस तरफ आएगा तो minus 5, then 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. And what is the standard form of linear equations in two variable? Then the standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus 5 is equal to plus c is equal to 0. And what is the necessary condition for this standard form? That remember that a and b are not equal to 0 simultaneously. Means they cannot be 0 at the same time. In a single equation, in a common equation, a and b cannot be 0 at the same time. मतलब कोई एक सेम टाइम पर a and b दोनों एक साथ 0 नहीं हो सकते. मीन्स कि अगर सिर्फ a 0 है या b 0 है तो कोई इश्यू नहीं है, तो हम उसे लीनियर इक्वेशन कह सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम राइटिंग दैट 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. So is it linear equation in two variable, or can I convert it into the linear equation of two variable? Then yes, it can be convertible in linear equation in two variable. How? That I can write 5y plus 3 is equal to 0 as 0x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Remember that a and b both cannot equal to 0 at same time, but either a or either b can be 0 in a single equation. Then also you can convert it into the linear equation of two variable. Okay, in 10th standard we are seeing pair of linear equation in two variables. So this was linear equation in one variable, this was linear equation in two variable. Now we are saying pair of linear equations now. ये कॉमन बात है, इट इज अ कॉमन थिंग दैट इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व the linear equation in two variable, then I must have two equations. Why? Because for an example, am I writing like x plus 2y is equal to 3? Then if I want a unique solution of this equation, then I cannot manage it. I cannot find unique solution of this equation. As we have studied in standard 9, the equation may have infinite numbers of solution. Then if I want unique solution, then आई मस्ट हैव पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल। मतलब अगर मुझे यूनिक सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो मेरे पास लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल की पेयर होनी चाहिए। जैसे यहाँ पर एक्स प्लस टू वाई इज इक्वल टू 3 है, मेरे को एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 2, ये पेयर हो गई। मतलब आपके पास दो इक्वेशन होने चाहिए, यू मस्ट हैव टू इक्वेशन। एंड व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल? देन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इज a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a1 is coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y in first equation, c1 is constant term. But यहाँ constant term क्या रहेगा? What will be the constant term? Plus 3 goes to that side, it will become minus. Then the equation will be x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. If I want to convert it into the standard form, I will write like this: x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, and x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. तो ये हो गया स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. I have converted it into the standard form. Now if I want to find a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, then what can I do? So a1 is coefficient of x in first equation, which is 1, b1 is coefficient of y in first equation, which is 2, c1 is constant term, which is minus 3. Then a1 b1 and c1 will be 1, 2 and minus 3 respectively. Similarly, if I want to find a2 b2 and c2, then a2 is coefficient of x in second equation, b2 is coefficient of y in second equation, and c2 is constant term in second equation. Then a2 b2 and c2 will be 1, 1 and minus 2 respectively. So this is the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable. There is also a condition which is a1 and b1 cannot equal to 0 at same time or simultaneously. Similarly, a2 and b2 in second equation both cannot be 0 at the same time, means simultaneously. Okay, so this was the standard form of pair of linear equations in two variable. That we'll see the next method or exercise in next lecture. But in this lecture I have make you informed that what we have studied in last standard 8, standard 9, and now we are studying pair of linear equation in two variable in standard 10. So be tuned, take care, we'll see you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.